my god. So we went to the beach, and low-key I was scared because it was packed, like packed, and I'm like, what? These people don't care, but also I'm people. But nah, low-key I was shook. Hella shook. No, same. I'm about to devour that. And like they're like happy and shit with their, I mean, not all the time, but
yeah, most of the time, or at least they play it off. A strapless, like, babies.
no,
You know
same.
what I'm saying? But the thing is, the only problem with that is that when you go into the water, it's gonna get like,
Oh no, yeah.
Yeah.
I remember last year I wore like a strapless
like a
one.
bando.
Bro, that thing was like bump going down every second.
What if you could? Do you think that the clear straps would like still show? Right?
Since like we're like tanner now.
Yeah. You think the clear straps like it will the sun will go through or not?
Yeah. It probably like melted off.
Fucking chicken mullet.
That's me.
Because I feel like if I tan too short, then I'm not gonna get dark, and then if I tan too long, I'm gonna get like burnt.
That's me.
Also, I get hot. You get hot. Like,
Hell
me
yeah.
too,
I'm like big. I'm like a lot of people don't wear bathing suits because they feel like
I know, insecure. I feel that. No, I had like a two-piece, but I couldn't find my bottoms.
oh really?
Yeah, because I have high-waisted ones because I'm fat.
But no, same.
But,
I'm not wasted
and I
one.
wanted to tan my stomach because honestly, I'm not gonna be here too much, and I wanted to like get evened out. But I couldn't find the bottom, so I was like, fuck. So I just really wanted.
Yeah.
I need to find it. I'm gonna find it somewhere. Probably gonna go get another one at Target. 'Cause I'm
No,
my stomach,
same.
you know, Target is really cute bathing suits.
They
Have you
do.
noticed that?
But they're expensive.
Bro, like the top is like $36.
I got just the top was like $20. I was like,
Yeah, bro, for what? I can't.
that's why you gotta snatch. Just paying for the soda. Nah, I'm just.
Do that because he went to like Charlotte.
It's packed. What? Yo, I'ma just say that the waves today were insane. Like the water would literally go up to like where the people were laying down and tanning. I was like, there's no way you're gonna catch me going to the middle of the water. Cause the waves were like crazy. I'm like, I can barely even stand up. You think I'm a swim? Negative.
Marjorie.
Oh hell no.
I'm not fucking playing. I will run for my life right now. Marjorie. No.
Oh nah.
Oh, no. Marjorie, it's literally right behind you. Bruh. Oh, hell no.
I don't play with that.
Get the fuck away from me.
Like damn hole, let me eat.
Marjorie, you like birds?
I don't like any type of birds.
No, literally.
The water felt good though.
It feels so good.
Like it felt bomb. It's packed. So I just came back from the beach and I'm about to take a shower because you know the showers after the beach be hitting differently. Like, ooh, look how red I got. Like honestly, I'm so white. Like I get red really fast. Like I can't. You guys, look at my back. Oh my god. I know that's about to burn when I shower. Yeah. I'm tired as hell. Like, I'm drained. To be honest, I'm so exhausted. Like, I can't. I'm probably gonna take a nap and then, I don't know. I'm just probably gonna take a nap and chill for the rest of the day. It's Sunday, so as you can tell, I'm drained. Like, you can tell by the change of voices. Like, I'm exhausted, bro. I just want to sleep and then chill. I woke up at 7 a.m. today because I was like, I'm gonna go to the beach and it's gonna be empty and we're gonna chill and, you know, have a good time. I had a good time, don't get me wrong, but it was packed, bro. Like, it was packed. Like, I can't believe it. We literally were there, like, on the bridge thing at like 8, like 7:38, and we were literally parked there, like, waiting for the cars to move for like an hour. I was like, there's no way that there's so many people here already, and it was only 8. I can't. I'm them. Like, I can't. That's crazy. No, but overall, the beach was pretty fun. This is the first time that I went to the beach since last year. Like, I haven't been to the beach at all this year. I know a lot of people already started going and things, but this is my first time going and I had fun, you know. As you can tell, I like tanned. I didn't tan, I burned because I am pretty white. So like it takes like 3 sessions of me going to the beach to actually get a tan, which is kind of sad. But yeah, I don't know, I don't tan, I burn. And I know that happens to me, and I'm always like, I'm just gonna sit here and lay down, and I'm always in pain after. Like, I can't. But yeah, I'm probably gonna take a nap. I'm so tired. Like, the sun drains you, bro. Like, the sun really does be draining. But yeah, honestly, stay safe, and like, if you do go to the beach and places like that, just try to like stay away from people because it's packed. Like, I did not expect it to be that full, especially with everything that's going on right now. Like, I really did not expect it to be that full, but it was packed. So if you do go, just stay safe, you know. Try not to really, although it's kind of hard because like it's literally so much people, but yeah, try to stay safe and, you know, always keep your distance because although we're all like out, like technically it's not that safe. But yeah, I'm gonna take a nap now. And then, so before I go to sleep, I decided that I wanted to make an iced coffee, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do. It's bomb. So like, if you guys have these things at home, save yourself money because it's delicious. This is what I use. Don't mind the mess in the back. I use some almond milk. This is the original one. I use this iced coffee mix thing. It's like the mocha light. This one is light, so it tastes kind of like gross. And then I've never tried peanut butter, but I don't know, I saw it in the fridge and I want to try it. This is the Peter Pan creamy all natural, and I use a frozen banana, and this one looks like it's already pretty old, but it's frozen. It's fine. Like, anything frozen you can eat. So that's all you need. Oh, and some ice. Try it with peanut butter because I've never had it with peanut butter. I'm nervous. Yeah, that's bomb. I need to take this off. Shut the fuck up. Y'all, tell me the truth. Am I tripping? Wait, does like seawater take away like box dye from your hair? Because my hair was bleached before. I'm gonna literally cry because I don't want to dye my hair anymore. Like my hair's fried because I was bleaching it so much. I'm tripping. I'm probably just tripping. I'm probably hallucinating. No, you can definitely. I'm finna cry. Well, I'm not touching it. I'm leaving it like this because I'm not trying to put more dye in my hair. Like you can tell where it's like fried. Why does my hair look like this? I'm never going to the beach again.